Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Three samples we did. One I had showed you yesterday. That was order for sports goods. And one you had written yesterday. That was order for what? You remember? This one. Lab apparatus. Did you write yesterday? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Hmm. So today, note down the question for today, business letter, placing orders. Then I'll tell you how to write complaint letters, or cancellation of orders, all those things also I'll teach you. So we are going to have a last practice of writing this. You are the librarian. Please note down the question. Librarian, ABC International School, Delhi. Librarian, ABC International School, Delhi. Write a letter to Oxford Publishing House. Oxford Publishing House, New Delhi. Okay, place your order for some books for the library. They could be novels, encyclopedia, NCERT books, any books that you want. Is the question clear for everybody?
Yes.
We'll do like we did yesterday, but a little changed pattern. You will post till here now, till the table. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, first two lines, and the table. Till here you will prepare and post. And then you will inform me. I will check on the groups.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject, and finally the first two introductory lines. I also told you how to write these lines. Yesterday we had discussed about it. And then the table has to be made. Place order for
Good morning, ma'am.
books, novels, encyclopedias, NCERT
Good
books,
morning, ma'am.
reference books. Children, please listen. Reference books, all these things. And the quantity should be more. It should not be 2, 3, 4. Make it larger number, 20, 30, because it's for the school library. So we need more number. Yes, for those who have joined late, very quickly, one of you please speak out. What was the sender's address I gave you? You are the librarian of which school? I'm repeating the question again for the children who have joined late. Yes, one of you please speak out. Librarian of which school? Beta, librarian of ABC International School. You're writing a letter to Balaji Publishing House. Order some books for the school library. And you have to write till here, till this table. Till here. Write quickly. And read out and then post on the groups so that I can check. 3 times I've said the question. Now please start writing. Immediately inform that you are done so that I can start checking. Write only till the table.
Ma'am, please send the syllabus for UT, ma'am. You have said that I will send.
Ha, beta, first let me confirm from all subject teachers today that there is no change in what syllabus they had given. If there is no change, then I'll post it on the group.
Okay, ma'am.
Because some teachers are wanting to change something, let me confirm it from all subject teachers today. Then I'll post it. 3 times the question has been given. Please start writing.
Ma'am, we can write like this, ma'am. ABCD Public School, Club Road, Mathura.
I already told you we don't write the address, only the name of the school, the name of the city, and the pin code. We had discussed this yesterday that the address is not to be written in the letter. Name of the school, first line, second line, name of the city, and the pin. Yes, Peter. Yes, Peter. Hurry up, I'm still waiting. We are writing a letter to place order for what?
Ma'am, books.
Very good. You can plan any books, novels, NCRT, reference books, atlas, dictionary, encyclopedia, anything.
Ma'am, what we can write in product code, ma'am, anything.
Hurry up, Peter.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, what we can write in from product code, ma'am.
You can write ABC/123, or you can write the name of the publisher, ABC Publishers, PQR Publisher, like we have S Chand and all, no? That kinds.
Ma'am.
You can simply write numbers, code 26743.
Ma'am, posted.
Can you read out once what you've written so that others also get it? Read
Okay,
beta.
ma'am. This has reference to our meeting on June 7 to 20XX. We have gone through the catalog and would like to place an order for certain books. Kindly refer to the list given below.
And what is the list that you've ordered for? Tell us.
Ma'am, there are different types of books like ma'am reference book, novels, encyclopedia, storybooks, and magazines.
Okay, that is nice, interesting, very good. And now you can go on to the terms and the conditions. Let others finish this part first. Hurry up, children, others. See, he's already done till here. What about you people? Please write soon.
Ma'am, posted.
You also read once.
Ma'am, whole letter, ma'am. Ma'am, whole letter.
Read better what you've written. Others get an idea.
This has a reference to our meeting on November 10, 2000 XX. We have gone through the catalog, would like to place an order for books. Kindly refer to the list given below.
Have you made the list also?
Yes, ma'am.
Speak out.
Ma'am, in items, ma'am, science NCRT, ma'am, social NCRT, all in one English, all in one Hindi, and RD Sharma.
Very good, very good. Very good, beta. Now you conclude your letter. Conditions, payment. If some book is damaged, then what? All that you mentioned. Others, please hurry up.
Ma'am, I have also.
Okay, beta, please read out.
Ma'am, body.
Read your matter, then you post it.
This is the reference on the meeting June 8, 20XX. I would like to order certain books. Kindly refer to the list given below. Items: Encyclopedia, Science Class 10th, a storybook, R.D. Sharma Class 10th.
Very good, very good. This is in reference to. Just remember this, otherwise everything perfect. Conclude it, beta.
Ma'am, posted.
Speak out, beta.
Ma'am, after the list, kindly ensure that the books are not damaged in any way. We should like to win 25% discount agreed upon during meeting. I am enclosing a check of rupees 5,000 as an advance payment for the books. The items are urgently required and I hope you will keep your word of delivering them within 1 week.
Very good, very good. Count the word. Count approximately how many words is it coming?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, 133.
Fine, beta. Add on a few more words. You can add on that line. If the book is damaged, if any of the book is damaged, it will be returned. No payment would be made against it. Some details about if the product is damaged. Add that, then I think it will come to 150. And how will you do the payment? Cash, in cash, by check, what? Add
Okay,
these
ma'am.
two lines.
I'm posted.
Very good. Read out.
Yes, ma'am. ABC Public School, Lucknow 123XXX, 8 June 20XX. The manager, Balaji Public House, Delhi 123XXX. Dear sir, subject order books. This has reference to a meeting on June 9, 2000XX. We have gone through catalog and would like to place an order for certain books. Kindly refer to the list given below. Storybooks, reference books, science, Padi Sharma Encyclopedia.
Very good, beta. Well done. Very nice. Now, can we have a description of the conditions, mode of payment, and all? Continue. Hurry up, children. Hurry up, beta. Yes. Who's going to speak now? Make sure the word limit comes to 150.
I'm done.
Yes. Speak. Finish it off the conclusion.
Kindly ensure that the books are not damaged anyway. If a book will not come under good condition, then the book will be returned. we are hopeful that a discount of 35% on the MRP will be given on the item as it was decided in the meeting. If the books will be under good condition and if we will like your service, then we will regularly ordering the books from you only. Kindly send the original bill copy. We will make the bill. We will make the payment when the items will be delivered to us in good condition.
Good. I'm sure the word limit is okay now. Just check out.
Yes, ma'am. Checking.
Approximately 150 words, 150, 160. Then it's
Ma'am,
fine.
150 words in the ma'am conclusion.
No, the total thing, beta, the entire letter. The entire letter around 150 to 160.
Ma'am, it is ma'am coming ma'am 140.
140.
Yes,
Still,
ma'am, 140. Ma'am, in between, ma'am, 140 to 150.
chalo, it's fine. It should be 120 to 150. So it's fine, beta. Good. Excellent. Have you posted on the group the last part also? The one you
No, ma'am.
spoke just now?
No, ma'am.
Post that also. Others
Okay, ma'am.
get clues, ideas from what you write.
Ma'am, post.
Very good. Is there anyone else who's written?
Ma'am, I have posted.
Speak the last lines.
Yes, ma'am. Kindly ensure that the books are in a good condition. I would like to take some discount as in Corona crisis jobs are in trouble. I am sending a check of 8,000 with the letter as an advance payment. The items are urgently required and I hope you will keep your word of delivering them within 1 week.
See, very good.
Your
This is how
truly,
we get ideas from each other. Continue.
your truly the librarian, ABC Public School.
Very good. Count your words now. Count your words.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to count the address and date also. Ma'am, just
Not
the
the
body.
date, rest everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Hurry up, those who are left. And better you tell me how many words is it coming. Yes, how many words?
I'm 145.
Fine, perfect it is. Absolutely fine, perfect. hurry up, children, hurry up. So what is the first thing we generally write when we are writing an official business letter? Towards the left, we write which address?
Thank you, ma'am.
Sender's address or
And
receiver's
senders
address?
Sender address.
Very good. What is the second thing we write?
Date.
Date.
Good. What is the third thing we write?
Senders
Sender address.
Receiver's address. What is that called?
Receiver's address.
Yes,
Receiver's
sender's
receiver
address,
address.
date, then receiver's address. Then after that,
Yes.
Salutation.
Dear sir and ma'am.
Salutation.
salutation. The dear sir and all is called salutation. And then after that,
Ma'am, subject.
Subject.
subject. What do we write after that?
Ma'am, introduction
Subject.
and ma'am, our
Yes,
Ma'am,
subject. So
introduction
let's
to the
have a
ma'am.
revision. Let's have a revision quickly. What is the first thing you'll write towards the left?
Yes, ma'am.
sender's
Sender
address.
address.
Senders
Second thing,
Date.
Date.
date. When you write date, where do you put comma? After what?
Ma'am, after ma'am, month.
After the month.
Very good,
month.
after the month. And year is written as 20.
X.
Ma'am, XX.
Very
XX.
good. It is written as 20.
Ma'am, why it is written as ma'am XX?
Because we do not disclose any identity when we go to class 10 board exam beta. Never write the name of your school. Never write your own name. Never write year also. Everything has to be kept confidential. It is advised. Though in some books you will find year is written, but I would suggest always write XX, but put a comma over here.
Okay.
Sender's address, date. What is this?
Receiver's
Receiver
address.
address.
Ma'am.
Receiver's
Receiver's
address.
address.
And mention somebody to whom you're writing, the manager or the director or the head, whoever you're writing, because this is the name of a company. You cannot write to a company. You must be writing to someone in the company. So the manager, whomever you're writing, then this is called salutation. What is it called?
Salutation.
Salutation.
Yes, salutation.
Salutation.
Then after salutation, you have your subject.
Subject.
What is this? Subject.
Subject.
This is why you're writing the letter. This we have mentioned. This is what all we want. These are the terms and conditions. Then you will write over here name and the head, whatever your designation is there, you're going to write. Okay. Supposing you had to order for some electrical
Yes.
appliances and you're a hostel warden. Let's do this orally. You're the hostel warden and you have to order for electrical appliances. Just think for 2 minutes. 1 minute is enough. And then we'll discuss orally what will you write in the table.
Ma'am,
That's all.
ABCD hostel.
No, I'm just talking about the table requirements. Just think for 1
Ma'am,
But
minute.
we have to order.
Beta hostel warden, you have to order for some electrical appliances. If the question comes like this for the hostel, think for 1
Ma'am.
minute, then I'll ask you what all you will order.
Ma'am, can I?
Done.
Think for a second, we'll just speak orally. We won't write.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am,
How
done.
many items have you planned?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
5.
4, 5.
4, 5 already planned. Okay, speak
Yes,
one
ma'am.
of you. What will be the subject? Tell the subject and then the items.
Ma'am, ordering for electronics.
Order for electrical
Electronic.
appliances.
Order for
Yes,
electrical
never say,
appliances.
very good. Don't say ordering. It is never ing in the subject. Okay. So order for electrical
Yes.
appliances is absolutely correct. Fine. One by one, tell me what all you have planned to buy and which brand or which code number or whatever.
Ma'am, electric bulbs, tubes, ma'am, switches,
Okay, electric bulbs, tubes, switches. And what will you write for product code or the brand?
Ma'am, for bulb, ma'am, B071, and ma'am, for tube light, ma'am, TB030, like this, ma'am.
Okay, see, he has made a new idea of his own. Very interesting one. Very good. Very good. Yes,
Ma'am, may I tell?
next. Yes, please
Ma'am,
tell.
smart board.
Ma'am, Havells fans,
Smart board.
ma'am, LG ACs, Havells bulbs, and ma'am, Bajaj switches.
Okay. Since he is confident of the brands, so he is given brand names only. Can we they just discuss the number? How many would you
Yes.
like to order?
Ma'am, bulbs 10, tube lights,
Ma'am, one
ma'am,
fridge.
4 to 5.
Okay, one fridge.
One
Okay, it
fridge.
is good.
One fridge.
Yes, for the hostel, one fridge is sufficient. Any particular brand you want to order? Fridge?
Yes, ma'am.
And Samsung.
Samsung. Samsung.
Okay. Somebody had ordered for an air conditioner also. Which brand?
Ma'am, Hitachi.
Hitachi. Okay, good. What else would be needed in the hostel?
Blue
Fridge.
Star is also.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, Blue Star.
Blue
Ma'am,
Star.
projector.
AC. Okay, you have a different choice for the
Ma'am,
AC. You go
smart
for blue.
board.
Ma'am,
What do you want?
projector.
Smart board. Smart board.
Smart?
Ma'am, smart board.
Ma'am,
Okay,
projector.
smart boards. Fine. Projector is what she means. Smart boards. Yes. Who else? What else can we order for electrical appliances? We have discussed what all can we order for books.
Ma'am,
We have
Wi-Fi.
also discussed what all
Ovens.
can
Ovens.
ovens and microwaves also. Yes, we can order for heating the food. That is a good idea.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Very
Wi-Fi.
good. Wi-Fi device.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. These days it is very important. Everything is online. So a good thought that we can go for Wi-Fi devices also. Very good. Very good. Can you think of something else to be ordered? Let's order some school furniture. What all will you order?
Ma'am, tables, chairs.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Tables,
Ma'am,
chairs,
ma'am, benches.
benches. Good.
School
What
chairs.
else is- See, beta, the format is going to remain the same. Only the subject is going to change. What subject will you write if you're ordering for school furniture?
I'm order for school goods, school furniture goods.
Order for school furniture. And when you were ordering, what did we order? Electrical appliances. Don't use the word ordering. What is the word you'll use?
I'm order.
Order.
Yes, it is order. Rest everything will remain the same.
Ma'am, yesterday also we are doing in business letter and ma'am, it is incomplete.
Beta, now you are
Yes,
confident how to
ma'am.
write. Now we are confident writing how to place orders. Now we'll learn how to cancel orders. In the next class, we'll learn how to cancel orders, how to write letters of cancellation.
Okay,
We
ma'am.
have done placing orders. 3, 4 letters we have done. 2, 3 we have discussed. Now what are we going to do? We'll learn how to cancel orders. Why do you think people cancel orders? What could be the reason?
Yes.
I'm the
Because they get ma'am
And
discount.
because they
more
don't want
discount
that.
from other.
Maybe the delivery is late, it is not on time, so they want to cancel it for this
Ma'am, more
reason.
discount from